Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by gathering what you need: a second computer, an 8 GB or larger USB/SD, and the Chromebook model name so the tool picks the right image. Once you have that, open the Chromebook recovery utility on the other computer and follow prompts to write the recovery image. This step verifies the download and formats the media. Make sure the USB/SD finishes safely. You do not want corrupted media. When done, power off the Chromebook and get ready to enter recovery mode. With the recovery media inserted, put the Chromebook into recovery mode. Press ESC and refresh, then tap power. You will see a recovery screen that says Insert Recovery Media. If the device immediately detects the USB/SD, it will prompt to begin. Once the installer starts, follow the prompts to reinstall Chrome OS. This erases local data and rewrites system partitions. Wait through verification and copying. Progress may pause for a minute. When the installation completes, remove the media and after reboot, complete the out-of-box setup and sign in so synced settings and apps return. If you previously used developer mode or custom firmware, restore or update those deliberately, otherwise leave stock firmware for stability. If the Chromebook won't accept the recovery media, make sure the USB/SD is rewritten and try another port or card. Corrupted downloads are common, so re-download the image and recreate the media. If errors persist, note any error codes and retry from a fresh media on a different computer.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.